Hey now, Mike Shimon here, and in this video guys I'm going to tell you about the top 3 WordPress plugins that you should have on every single website that you have, or at least every single WordPress website that you have. So let me tell you about it right now, the top 3 plugins. And guys, let me just tell you a little bit of background about myself. I've been doing web design in WordPress websites for the last 10 years. So that's a little bit of background. I've been working from the very early versions of WordPress. But okay, so the first plugin that you need to have on your website is the WordFence security plugin. Okay, this is a free plugin. Just go to your search in plugins and you'll find WordFence. This is going to be the best plugin you need for WordPress security and any threats and anything like that. This is going to be the plugin that you want. They have a really nice interface that allows you to do everything. One of the cool features that I like about this is that you can import and export or your settings. So you can set up your settings and then you can copy the encryption code they give you and you can put that on every other site that you have WordFence on. Alright, so that's a cool feature and it really saves time. All you gotta do is hit install and then import your code, and you can import your code for the WordFence security. Another cool feature that it has is it has like a live traffic. Okay, as you can see right here, it says live traffic. You can actually see hackers or people trying to break into your WordPress site as it is going on. Okay, so that's pretty cool. You can see that, and this is my favorite WordPress plugin, and I use it on every single website I have, and it's a must-have. It's called WordFence, so check that out. Okay, the next plugin I have on my list is WP Fastest Cache. This is going to be a plugin that you need to speed up your WordPress website. If your WordPress website is going slow, install this plugin immediately. Okay, this is what's going to make your WordPress website faster, and this is going to help you cache your website. Okay, so this is one of the must-haves. Now, if you're going for a paid plugin, you can also do WP Rocket, but this is going to be your best bet for free plugin, WP Fastest Cache. Now, they do have a paid version, but you don't need that to optimize your website properly. Okay, just get the free version. Here's all the FAQs that it has. It stays up to date. Last updated was 6 days ago. Okay, the developers are on top of this. Guys, get this plugin, WP Fastest Cache. The next plugin that you need to have on your website is the real Simple SSL. Okay, this is going to make your website SSL compliant. You want to make sure that you have an SSL certificate. All right, and if you don't, you need to get one in order to use this. Okay, and what it's going to do is it's going to go through and make all your images maybe HTTP. That's going to make those HTTPS. It's going to do all this other stuff, and boom, boom, boom. It takes like a minute. It takes about a minute to set up, and then you're off and gone. So for example, I have Bluehost on mine and it has a built-in SSL, so I use it on my websites for that. And some of my images were HTTP, I had some links going to HTTP. It replaced all my URLs with HTTPS and made all my you can see right here what it does. Your insecure content is fixed with replacing all HTTP URLs with HTTPS. Guys, this is a huge task right here if you're installing an SSL. If you don't know where your HTTPs are, this is a huge task, and this is mainly what I wanted it for. And I use it on, like I said, I use this on all my websites. Guys, I use every single plugin that I'm telling you about right now. So those are the top 3 plugins. Now the fourth plugin is not, these are all free plugins. The ones I just went through, the WordFence, the Fastest Cache, and the Real Simple SSL, those are all free plugins. Now the fourth plugin I'm going to tell you about is a paid plugin, but it's a plugin that I use on every single one of my sites, and it's a must-have for me. Okay, and that's Gravity Forms. Gravity Forms is the best form plugin, and it's a paid plugin. Like I said, $59 for one site, unlimited license. I think it's like 2 something. Anyways, like I said, I use this on every single site. It has a lot of integrations that you can do. You can integrate, you can do form signings, you can download PDFs, you can have people upload resumes, you can do surveys, you can do quizzes. It has a lot of integrations. Zapier is a great integration that you can have. So if somebody fills a form out, you can send it to a Google Doc. All right, you can collect payments. Okay, Stripe. I have a membership website set up through Gravity Forms. Okay, you can do a Slack station. All right, so it has a lot of different uses for Gravity Forms, but those are my top 3 WordPress plugins and that fourth bonus plugin. Hey guys, check out my channel MikeShaman.com, or check out my website MikeShaman.com. Check out my other YouTube channel videos here, and I'll see you guys on the other side.